Good morning, students of class 7. Yesterday we finished English literature chapter number 3, Nirja Bhanot, The Mortal Becomes Immortal. Chapter 3 yesterday we finished. Today we are going to discuss the question answers of this chapter. So students, all of you, open your book. We are going to discuss question answers. Page number 20. Multiple choice questions. Tick the correct option. Nirja Bhanot was born in 1963 in option number 4, Chandigarh. She took training as a purser in option number 1, Miami. The ill-fated Pan Am Flight 73 was en route to option number 3, Frankfurt. In the year dash, the Indian Postal Service released a stamp in her honor. Option number 2, 2004. Alternative resource type question. Take the correct statement and cross the incorrect ones. Nirja's marriage broke within 2 months. Take. The hijack ordeal lasted for 20 hours. Cross. While trying to save 3 children, she was hit by a hail of bullets. Tick. 3 annual awards of 1,50,000 each are given by the trust set up by Nirja's parents. Cross. Matching type questions. Match the group of words in column A with those in column B. Column A number. Nirja returned. Third number. To her parents in Mumbai. B number. Nirja was overpowered. Fourth number. But she managed to speak out the hijack code. C number. Nirja helped the passengers. 1 number. To escape down the chute. D number. An annual award of 1,050 lakh is given to. Second number. An Indian woman who fights bravely against social injustice. Now question number 4. Fill in the blanks using the correct words from the brackets. Nirja was a and dash girl, optimistic girl. B number. After grounding the plane, the co-pilot and the flight engineer escaped. Pilot. Bhanot hid the passports of the dash passengers, American passengers. D number. Nirja Bhanot is the youngest recipient of the dash award, Ashok Chakra award. Now very short answer questions. 5 number. Answer each question in 1 or 2 sentences. Which school did Nirja Bhanot attend? The answer will be Nirja Bhanot attended Sacred Heart Senior Secondary School in Chandigarh and Bombay Scottish School in Mumbai. B number. Where did Nirja go for her training to become a flight purser? Flight person is flight air hostess. To become a flight purser, Nirja went for training. Nirja went to Miami in the USA. C number. When was the Pan Am Flight 73 hijacked? Answer. The Pan Am Flight 73 was hijacked on 5th September 1986. D number. How many passengers were there on the plane? Answer. There were total 360 passengers and 13 cabin crew members on the plane. Now very short. Now short answer question. 6 number. Answer each question in a few sentences. A number. What did Nirja do to move ahead in life after getting separated from her husband? Its answer will be after getting separated from her husband, first she started her career as a model. But soon she applied for the post of flight attendant with Pan Am Airlines and was selected. B number question. How did the pilot, the co-pilot and the flight engineer behave when the plane was hijacked? Answer will be, when the plane was hijacked, the pilot, co-pilot and engineer got the message. They became self-centered and selfish. They escaped from the aircraft. They left behind all the passengers and cabin crew members at the mercy of those cruel terrorists. C number. What did Phaneuf do to save the American passengers? Answer will be, when Phaneuf realized that the terrorists wanted to kill those American passengers, then with the help of other colleagues, other attendants, Phaneuf hid the passports of all the American passengers to save their lives. D number. To whom are the 2 awards given annually by the trust set up by Neerja's parents? Its answer will be, to keep her memory alive, Neerja's parents set up a trust which gives 2 awards annually. One award is given to an airline crew members from any countries of the world, and the other award is given to an Indian woman who fights against social injustice. Now C number. Answer each question in detail. We have to write answers of these questions in detail. First number question is, how did Neerja take charge as the most senior crew member on board the hijacked plane? Its answer will be, she did not fear. She kept passengers peaceful. She took good care of all their needs. She realized the terrorists wanted to kill American passengers. So she hid their passports, and when the light became dim, she helped the passengers to escape through emergency door. This way she took charge as the most senior crew member on board the hijacked plane to save the lives of those passengers. B number. What was Neerja's aim? How did she prove it? Her aim was to save every passenger in the plane without caring for her own life. Really, she proved it while protecting 3 children from the terrorists' bullets. She received all the bullets. She received all the bullets into her own body and sacrificed her life like a true soldier. This way, she proved that really she was a great lady without caring for her own life. Always she was ready to save the lives of other persons. Third number question. What awards and honors were bestowed on Neerja after her death? Its answer will be, in her honor, Indian Postal Service released a stamp in 2004. To keep her memory alive, Her parents also set up a trust which gives 2 annual awards of rupees 1,50,000 each. She was also given Tagme-Insaniyat Award from Pakistan, Flight Safety Foundation Heroism Award from the USA, and Indian Civil Aviation Award from our own country, India. This way, even after her death, she has been given respect, awards, honors from many countries of the world, and she is now no more with us, but her memory are still alive in hearts of millions and billions of people all over the world. That's all, students. Now you all write these question answers in your notebook. Thank you.